Hi friends, welcome to CivTech Simplified. We are here again with another exciting video. This topic is already being covered and this is part 7 of our topic and it's civil engineering, societal and global impacts. We are again presenting 25 multiple choice questions and these questions would definitely help you for the competitive exams or GATE exams. Remember, all the correct answers have been highlighted so that you could review them effectively. So let's get started with today's video. Question 151. Built environment means dash. What is built environment? Option A, man-made structures. Option B, features. Option C, facilities. Option D, all of the above. So option A, B, and C all are covered and comes under built environment. Man-made structures, features of any project or building, and facilities which are provided within that environment. So option D is the correct answer for this question, which is all of the above. Question 152. How many components are there for built environment? Option A, 7 components. Option B, 8 components. Option C, 9. And option D, 10. So how many components are there for built environment? There are 7 components in a built environment. A is the correct answer. Question 153. IFMA means. What is IFMA? Option A, International Field Management Association. Option B, International Facilities Management Association. Option C, International Field Merged Association. And option D, International Facilities Merged Association. So IFMA means International Facilities Management Association, and B is the correct answer. It's an organization which deals with the facilities. Question 154. Facility Management FM is a professional that encompasses multiple disciplines to ensure functionality, comfort, safety, and efficiency of the built environment by integrating people, places, processes, and technology. Option A is true, option B is false. Yes, it's a true statement and true definition of facility management. It's a profession where multiple disciplines are interlinked with each other with respect to their functionality, comfort, safety, efficiency, and to create such built environment which is already integrated using people, places, processes, and technology. So all these comes under facility management. So A is the correct answer. 155. Planned maintenance is dash. What is planned maintenance? Option A, minimize breakdowns. Option B, regular servicing and checks. Option C, A and B. Option D, none of the above. So in plan management, the breakdowns are one regularized as well as minimized, and services are being checked at regular intervals. So it's a planned maintenance. A and B both are the correct answers. 156. The facility management is engaged to manage the dash contracts. The facility management is engaged to manage the dash contracts. Option A, self-service. Option B, building and security. Option C, mechanical and electrical. Option D, all of the above. So facility management is engaged to manage the self-service, building and security, and mechanical and electrical components of the building. So all these comes under facility management. And the professional dealing with such services is called facility manager. Question 157 is CAFM means. What is CAFM? Option A, Computer Aided Facility Management. Option B, Contracts Aided Facility Management. Option C, A and B, and option D, all of the above. So, Computer Aided Facility Management is the correct answer. A is the correct answer for SCAFM. It's Computer Aided Facility Management. 158. Benefits of computer aided facility management is option A. It improves the security and safety. Option B. Disaster planning capabilities. Option D. Data standardization. Option D. All of the above. So all these are correct answer. The computer aided facility management improves the safety, disaster planning capacities are increased, and data standardization is adopted. So D is the correct answer. 159. Which factor should be considered in climate control in built environment? Which factor should be considered in climate control in built environment? Option A, selection of site. Option B, architectural design. Option C, selection of materials. Option D, all of the above. So all these are considered for the climate control within the built environment. Selection of site, architectural design, and selection of materials. So D, all of the above is the correct answer. 160. Building consume dash percent of generated electrical power in the development world. In the developed world, buildings consume how much percent of generated electrical power in the developed world? Option is 70%, option B 75%, option C 80%, option D 85%. So building consumes 75% of the generated electricity or the power in the developed areas and countries. 161. Which method of achieving energy efficiency in building is used? Option A, material and construction technique. Option B, building orientation. Option C, renewable energy. Option D, all of the above. So yes, all these are the correct answer, and these are the methods of achieving energy efficiency within the buildings. 162. Lead means. What is lead? LEED. Option A, leadership in energy and environmental design program. Option B, leadership in energy and ecosystem design program. Option C, leadership in ecosystem and environmental design programs. And option D, all of the above. So LEAD means leadership in energy and environmental design program. A is the correct answer. 163. The LEAD is a green building rating system. Option A is true. Option B is false. What is LEED? LEED is a green building rating system adopted in US. A is the correct answer. 164. What does a LEED rating reflect? Option A, the cost of a building. Option B, how green the building is. Option C, the carbon footprint of a building occupants. Option D, location of a building. So the LEED rating reflects how building is how green is a building. B is the correct answer. Which LEED rating system requires durability planning? Option A, LEED for schools. Option B, LEED for commercial interiors. Option C, LEED for homes. Option D, LEED for existing buildings, operation and maintenance. Which LEED rating system requires durable planning? C is the correct answer. LEED for homes. It needs a durable planning. 166. Glass is an inert material. Glass is an inert material. A is the correct answer, which is true. B is false, but A is true. 167. Which method used to control temperature in building? Which method is used to control temperature in the building? Option A, thermal insulation. Option B, cavity wall. Option C, active thermal control. Option D, all of the above. So all these are the correct answers, and these are the methods which are used to control the temperature within the building. Thermal insulation, cavity walling, and active thermal control. D is the correct answer, which is all of the above. 168. Reflective sheet material like this. Option A, aluminium sheets. Option B, gypsum board. Option C, A and B. Option D, or none of the above. So reflective sheet material is either of aluminium sheets or gypsum board, like drywall. So A and B both are correct. 169. Cavity wall is also called as option A. Cavity wall is also called as hollow wall. Option B, semi-hollow wall. Option C, semi-solid wall. Option D, solid wall. So cavity wall is also called as hollow wall. A is the correct answer. 170. Which actions can be taken to improve noise compatibility in building? Option A, acoustical site planning. Option B, acoustical architectural design. Option C, acoustical construction. Option D, all of the above. So yes, all these factors are considered to make a comfortable building with respect to noise control. Acoustical site planning, acoustical designing, architectural designing, and acoustical construction at the end. So all these factors join and make a building noise proof and comfortable. 171. An intelligent building is one that provides a dash effective environment. Intelligent building is a one that provides a dash effective environment. Option A, productive. Option B, cost effective. Option C, productive and cost effective. Option D, none of the above. Yes, C is the correct answer. An intelligent building should be productive and cost effective. 172. The basic elements of an intelligent building are. What are the basic elements of an intelligent building? Option A, structure system. Option B, structure and services. Option C, structure, system, services and management. Option D, none of the above. So yes, C is the correct answer. The basic elements of an intelligent building are its structure, system, services, and management. 173. Parameter of intelligent building is a dash. Parameter of intelligent building is a dash. Option A, functional aspect. Option B, planning, design, and construction. Option C, security and communication system. Option D, all of the above. So D is the correct answer. The parameter of intelligent building is a functional aspect, planning, design, and construction, and security and communication system. So D is the correct answer. 174. Components of smart building are option A, hardware. Option B, software. Option C, network. Option D, all of the above. The components of a smart building includes hardware, software, as well as networking. So D is the correct answer, which is all of the above. So all these are the uh, are considered to make a building smart. Are all these are the components of a smart building: hardware, software, and network. 175, and the last question for today's video. HVAC mean heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Option A true, option B false. Yes, A is the correct answer, which is true. HVAC or HVAC mean heating, V for ventilation, and AC for air conditioning. So A is the correct answer, which is true. So thank you for watching this video. We have now completed 7 parts of civil engineering, its societal and global impacts. Please subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming videos and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I hope these videos would have helped civil engineers who are preparing themselves for PEFE exams or any sort of competitive exams. So thank you for watching this video. Be with us for the next parts, and goodbye. Thank you.